Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to Science Class with me, Miss Ama from IPSE 2019. After you learn about static electricity, I will show you a simple static electricity experiment that you also can do at your home. So, let's check the material. Materials that we need are an eraser, a scissor, a pen, a pieces of paper, a hair comb, and a clothes. If you have everything prepared, let's jump to the experiment. Firstly, we have to make a stand. Take a pen and disassemble it to take out the pen reveal. After that, take the eraser and make a hole at the center with the bottom of pen reveal size by using scissors. You can mark the step first so it helps you to make a hole there. Note you have to be careful because scissors can hurt your hand. The next step is insert the bottom of the pen reveal into the eraser's hole. Your stand is ready. Next, take a piece of paper and cut it into small rectangular pieces of paper. Here, I use 5 times 2 centimeters for the size. After you have done cut the paper, fold the paper to determine the center of the paper. Now, place the paper on the top of the stand. After you finish create this tool, take the clothes and the hair comb and wrap them together. Then bring the hair comb close to the paper. Wow! Do you see that? The paper move and follow the hair comb direction. Let's try once again. See? What is happening between the paper and the hair comb? Is it magic? No, it was science. The static electricity makes this happen. When you rub the hair comb with the clothes then charge it up, it means the negative charge or the electron from the clothes move to the hair comb since the hair comb made of plastic. And plastic is the one of insulator. Can you tell me what's the meaning of insulator? Please state your answer in the comment section below. Let's see more detail. After you charge the hair comb, so it has more electron than proton, then you broke it close to the piece of paper, the electron in the paper get repelled, while the positive charge or the proton get attracted to the electron in the hair comb. That's why the paper moves towards the direction of the hair comb. So static electricity is not a magic, it's actually science. Thank you for watching. See you in the next science class with me, Miss Ama from IPSE 2019. Bye-bye!